House for sale in Lansing. The cap. Isn't that pretty? What are we trying to hide here? Note this crap. You see that? Okay. Hold on. Huh? Everdry basement waterproofing system and wall anchors with transferable warranty. Well, you're going to be paying for that warranty every year. I want you to know. And the warranty doesn't cover water coming in through exterior cracks, which is why this basement, like most others, leak. That's right. Ooh. Look at that. There's exterior cracks, man, in the wall. They didn't pretty up this area. Why not? Scam. The water's first entering through the exterior cracks, causing efflorescence, discolorment, a little bit of mold, whatever. Basement was not waterproof. Night-night.